Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? I'm actually gonna try something right now. As you can, well, you guys don't know, but it's about to die, the battery, and so I guess this is a good opportunity for me to actually try something. I bought this a while ago, but I haven't found a reason to put it in use yet because I haven't been really busy. I have been busy with other stuff, so I don't have time to do stuff with the GoPro. But I figured this is a good opportunity for me to use this USB power cable for the GoPro 3 or the 3 Plus. You just secure the power. It's perfect for time lapses, and you can power the camera from any USB cube or power or whatever. So I'm gonna do that, and we'll see how it goes. Dang, this thing is 10 feet. Did it say 10 feet? Doesn't say the link. I think when I bought it off Amazon, it said 10 feet. So, yeah, I think it's 10 feet. It's a lot of cable, if you know what I mean. So here's the USB end. Here, oh my god. There's the part you shove in the back of the GoPro. Alright. See you in the next time. See you on the other side. Okay, let's get this plugged in. I'm pulling the cable through the skeleton housing in the back door, just so it can be consistently powered. Okay, slip that in here. And bam, there we go. All in. And it's attached to that right there. And it's working. It's on. It's recording. I don't believe it. Very cool. Get back on your tripod. Wow, you actually work. This is gonna be awesome. You know why? Because then you can do long time lapses. Ones that are gonna be super epic and super stoking. You know what I'm saying? Wow. Okay. This means I can do a cool time lapse. I'm gonna leave it for later. I'm not gonna show you what it is now. Or you'll know what it is. Ha! Oh wow, this is amazing. This is gonna be cool. This is gonna be awesome. Alright. Well, there you go. The 10-foot USB cable, power cable for the GoPro. It works. It's awesome. It's great. This gives you so many options to do so many things now. You can have constant power to your GoPro. You don't have to rely on the batteries, right? Then they go dead. You can use the GoPro in places. Oh god, this is just, my head is too many ideas at once. Okay, wow. Well, I guess I'll see you guys later then. This is really cool. Really awesome. Really awesome. Good purchase. Definitely buy it. I'll put a link in the description below. I'm not endorsed by them or anything. I think it's just a good product, and I'm just sharing it with you for all you GoPro people out there. If y'all need a GoPro for a long time span of power, definitely get this. You get consistent power, you'll be good to go. Alright, see you guys. Bye!